to Mew Lake, Algonquin Park. The only site they have that's operating in the winter. So excited to get in here. Look, it's just beautiful. Weather's looking good right now. Everything is great. Alright, so we finally made it. Algonquin Park, Mew Lake. First time for us winter camping. So the first thing we're doing right now is we picked out where we want to put our tent. So we just gotta shovel out that ground, flatten it out, make sure it's right, get the tarp up, and then yeah, next thing we'll do is set up the tent. So, me and Ali just did a nice hike, and yeah, this is Mew Lake. I don't know how well you could see it. It's very bright, the snow, but it's amazing. There's Ali. There's nothing here. So we are going to adventure into the middle of the lake. Well, not really the middle, because it's kind of dangerous. Because the middle is the weakest point, and although the ice is very thick right now, to be honest, we did a test, but it is thicker on the edges and the perimeter. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go up to wherever there's the freshest tracks, and yeah, we're not gonna go beyond those, because if someone else walked there about an hour ago, we'll be fine. So these are all fresh tracks here. You can see markings. Yeah. I don't see any beyond here. You could just follow these tracks. Yeah, it is deep. This is like at least a foot before you even get to the ice. Like, yeah. I was testing the ice depth with Ali, and I was just pounding the back of my heel, and it's not even budging. So it's been frozen for a while. It's still early winter. It's January 16th. So it's gonna get even more frozen, but this should be fine. I love the sound, just cracking the packing snow. I don't know if you can see it sprinkling snow, it's so nice. This is my favorite. You know, I'm considering doing some snow angels right now, I'm not gonna lie. But I wanna just keep it moving for now. I don't know how well this looks, but how good this looks. First time doing this type of stuff. Winter camping and just recording it, but right now there's a lot of too much going on, so need to just tune out and see nothing and hear nothing. This is deep snow. Oh my god. Okay, yo, don't walk there. It is deep. I mean, not that we can't handle it, but it's gonna be tough to get out of. Looks like someone already came here for a pick. Look at this tree, is completely lopsided actually. My god. Yeah, these are deep, but that's why we got snow pants and winter boots. I don't know what time it is, but I think it's like around 1:30, so 1:32. So we have probably about 2.5 hours of sunlight left, but we want to get a fire going, just to have one. So we're gonna go through that now. So how we're gonna start it is have these little wood shavings that I've got from this wood carving piece of basswood. It's highly flammable, so this will be the base. It's kind of dirty here. I don't want to get my knees wet, but so we'll put that as the base. And I got my wood carving knife, Beavercraft. Sorry, this is the pinnacle of. No, I'm kidding. This is a beginner crafting knife, but yeah. So I got my ferro rod here. Now you could use this thing, but I don't like this spark. Like it's garbage. But when you use this, so what we're gonna do is, if you get a close up here, we're gonna try and get a spark here. So we just need one of these. Okay, so we need this to catch. I think that should be okay actually. As soon as that base catches, we should be okay. And then we're going to slowly start adding the twigs. It gets in your eyes so much. It's burning your eyes. All right. So we got the fire going, heated up some logs. That was Ali's idea, actually. Really good idea, because even if they're wet, that'll dry them out. And then now we're just chilling. Gonna chill out for a bit, get some wood carving done, and yeah, we could just try and build something. We don't really know what we're working on. We're working on this together. Both just started wood carving, I don't know, about 5 minutes ago, so we're not very good, but you know, we got this knife, we got this wood, so let's see what we can make happen. Yeah, cooking situation, it's looking good. We're gonna have some haddock, asparagus, and some toast with avocado. Should be amazing. Yeah, so it's about 2:30 p.m. and got about 2 hours of daylight left, maybe 2.5 if we're lucky. It's snowing pretty good, to be honest. I think it's gonna continue snowing like this. I don't know if you can see the snow, but it should be snowing like this basically for the next 10 hours. So just do some wood carving. Alright, so we just finished setting up the tent. We got the tarp on, put all our stuff inside, sleeping bag, sleeping pad, everything. And got a little fire going right now. We have more firewood put away. And yeah, we're just gonna chill out for a bit. Ali's just doing the wood carving. He just picked up this craft, but he's already a master. He's doing the best shapes I've seen. And yeah, it's should be getting dark soon. A couple of hours, less than, honestly, maybe an hour and a half. So we're probably gonna start prepping our food soon. And yeah, just chill out for a bit. It is amazing right now. Like, this snow is, listen to this. You hear nothing. It's amazing. So yeah, gonna prepare the food in a bit, and yeah, see ya. Alright, so we're gonna be setting up dinner. We got some nice Canadian fish haddock. We're gonna go ahead and get this ready, get it on the fire. Got some asparagus to go with this. Just gonna add a little bit of oil. Not too much. This is just vegetable oil, just regular. Can't speak English, but I don't know, I'm loading. But anyway, so we just got the classic salmon seasoning. And we're gonna put some more of this on too after we grill it too, but this is just to get it going. Want to get a nice amount of this. And just a little bit of pepper, not too much honestly, that's enough. And then just snow dropping on the tent, just like a little bit of salt, not too much. That's it. And I'm gonna go ahead and get that on the fire. Wrap that up. And yeah. Leave that on there for about 10-20 minutes, depending on how we want it. Okay, so I'm gonna get the asparagus going. Add it onto the grill with the haddock. Just add some vegetable oil to this. Get a nice texture to it. And then just add salt and pepper. Should get a good amount of pepper for more flavor, especially at the top. That's my favorite. And then just add some salt. Not too much salt. That's it. Just 1 pinch. And then just wrap it up. Oh, salt's running away from me. And then just add that to the fire next to the haddock and go get the next batch. Alright, so food should be ready. We're taking it off the grill. If the audio is different or if the angle is different, it's because the DSLR died. So using the hand video cam now, but it's okay because we have a lot of battery in this one. So I have the asparagus. I don't know if it's in the camera, but we have the asparagus here. It's super crispy, but that's my first time making asparagus on a grill, so now we know don't put it for that long, so we won't do it next time. But this time, we're gonna eat it, and we're gonna love it, because it tastes good. Okay, yes sir. So we're gonna go ahead and show you the fish. You wanna hold this?
Yes.
Thank you. So, got the fish ready here. Looks absolutely amazing. Gonna go ahead and eat this. And yeah. Alright. Alright, this is gonna be the best part right now. Hopefully I don't drop this thing. Oh, I had already dropped it. Nice. Stick it in the ground somewhere. Oh. Alright, there, stick it in the ground. About to have the first bite with my spoon. See, I'm so excited I want to eat this with my hand.
Burgers are good.
Okay, that fish is fantastic. Now, this part is too crispy. I'll admit that. But this is also fantastic. I don't know if I mentioned this before, but this fish is haddock. Ali's never had fish and chips, but he's had fish. But he's never had fish cooked over the campfire in the winter, and neither have I.
Nope.
They're actually so good.
Mm-hmm.
Buying that spice changes everything. Like, you just get the right, it honestly could be anything. You could just mix your own, make your own, but if you get the right spice for the fish, oh my gosh. It's so good. yeah, I think I'm gonna save the camera's battery and turn it off for now. And catch you guys later. So it's about 5 p.m. sunset right now, and it's been an awesome day, perfect weather. Like it's still, look at this. Wait, yo, Ali, did you hear that? Nope, that's right, nothing. So
Thought I heard nothing.
it's amazing right now. So we're just gonna enjoy this. We have the next dinner ready to be made, all prepped, good to go. Could work in the dark, but rather just chill out. So having this hiney here, just chilling. And yeah,
Keeping warm.
keep him warm. Yeah, this fire's been going the whole time, which is nice. I've just been adding logs to that. Have like I got a good amount of firewood cut up ready for tomorrow. Ali has his saw, but we didn't use that today. We used a different saw. Yeah, we actually didn't use a saw. But we did have these logs ready to go, pre-cut. Someone cut them. Not sure who. Anyhow. Yeah, so me and Ali, we already prepped these, ready to get to go. We mixed all the fish and the asparagus together, and we prepped them before so that we didn't have to now. Maybe this side's warmer, right?
Yeah.
Maybe leave it like that first. On. And leave those on there for like, honestly, 20 minutes. Give them some time, let them slow cook, it'll be nice. Make sure they're cooked well. Hopefully the asparagus doesn't get burnt this time, but honestly, Ali was saying they're not even too bad. I kind of agree. When you cook something over a real fire, I swear, you can eat anything, it'll taste good. It looks like my trusty flipping rod has fallen, but we don't need this. That was just for grilling, so we'll
Maybe just for transferring.
Yeah, we'll probably need it for moving some stuff. We'll clean that off. Got some sanitizer, you know. Never leave home without the sanitizer.
I think we should boil water for the hot chocolate.
Yeah, we should.
Yeah, let's take them.
Gonna have some hot chocolate as well. So food should be ready now. I'm gonna go ahead and get these off the grill. This. It is steaming. Woo-hoo. So I don't know if you could see this right here, but oh yeah, that looks nice. That's been on there for, I don't know, that's been on there for a good while now. That's very hot, but very tasty. Yeah, that's been on there for a good while. Can't really even say exactly how long, but honestly, they look perfectly cooked. Like this is going to be nice. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and dig in. Oh my gosh. So that asparagus is cooked well this time. Last time it was overcooked. This time we're good to go. That fish is amazing. So, me and Ali were sitting here. A few times we were thinking of taking it off the fire, but honestly, I checked it and I thought if we leave it, if we have a little bit more patience, it will cook much nicer. And right now, it is like, it's basically, if there was a perfect, like this is it. Like, it's soft, chewy, so much flavor. No, first time was good. This time is great. So, how was yours?
Delicious.
Fantastic.
Real good.
Wow. It actually tastes like we just caught this fish. Like, and then also somehow we had seasoning with us in the wild. And some tinfoil. But, oh man, like, so, I don't know if you guys know this show called Alone. It's a survival show. Probably the most realistic survival show ever. And, so many of the contestants and survival experts who leave the show, they always say, I wish I had some seasoning. Like, if I had some seasoning, this squirrel or rabbit or fish or moose or whatever they're eating at the time would be amazing. And to be honest, I don't know what they're saying. Because think about eating like just raw fish or meat, chicken, whatever, with nothing. Every day. For 100 days. Yeah. Not very pleasant. But honestly, like I said earlier, I'll stick to this. If you cook anything on a grill or campfire, like just raw natural fire, you can burn it and it'll still taste amazing. Like, wow. It cooked well, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It was worth waiting.
It was worth the wait for sure.
So, after we're done enjoying our meals, is it meal? Is it meal or meals? If you have two people, does it become automatically a meals? Or can two people still have just a meal? Yeah, we could. We had a meal together,
meal, yeah.
right?
I think.
Well, either way, meals, either way. Once we're done, we're going to clean up, just put everything away, and we're going to get the hot chocolate ready. Not right away. We're going to wait a bit, because hot chocolate and fish,
Don't mix it up.
yeah, we don't want to try that today. Maybe another day. So we're just going to wait a bit, and after that we'll have a hot chocolate, and then we're just going to go head into the tent. And I'll probably do a video of the tent in the morning when there's more light, and just show what our setup is like, some of the gear we have, and just our sleeping conditions, because we could use our headlamps right now, but it'll probably be better in the morning because there'll be a lot more light. And so we'll see you when we have the hot chocolate. It is time for the hot chocolate. We got the water boiled in this kettle. We just had it sitting on the fire here like that. I'm gonna go ahead and pour some of this. Make sure I see. Can we step here? The smoke's going in my eye. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and pour the boiling water right into the mug. And can't see that. I'm covering it, sorry. Tell me when to stop. Is that okay?
Keep going.
Keep going?
Yeah.
More. Okay.
Is there any more left in there?
Yeah. There's a bunch. Just tell me when to
stop. Good, yeah.
Okay, great.
Sweet.
Alright, so go ahead and mix that up. This right here, if you guys can see, is the Sea to Summit titanium lightweight long spork. This thing weighs less than a feather, I swear. Like, you'll be holding this and you'll have no idea that you're holding this. Highly recommend this spork. This is my first time using it, but it has so many uses because of how long it is. So definitely recommend the Sea to Summit spork. And yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and make some hot chocolate. Just chill out by the fire. It's about I think it's 7:45 p.m. right now. Still kind of early, but probably gonna go ahead hit the hay soon after we just have some of the hot chocolate. And yeah, it should be super nice. Oh wow, look how good that looks. All right, and yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and make mine. I'll see you soon. That is chocolatey perfection. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and enjoy these hot chocolates and then just chill out for the rest of the night. And that's gonna be it for tonight, to be honest. I don't really want to film anything else. I think we've done a lot for today. We're pretty tired, so yeah, we're just gonna one sec. Get this on myself. Yeah, so not sure how great this is, but yeah, so we're just gonna chill out for the rest of the night. We're just gonna have our hot chocolates, like I said, enjoy, sit down, chill out a little bit outside, and then it's gonna be it for tonight. It's not gonna be too cold tonight. I think the lowest it should get overnight is it feels like -8. I always go by the feels like, because I don't really care what temperature it is. I want to know what I'm gonna feel. So just go off the feels like. So yeah, -8, no problem. Show the gear tomorrow, so you'll see what how we've prepared for this trip. And yeah, this is like our first night out here, so wish us luck. See you in the morning. It was pretty good overall last night. It snowed a lot, and a lot of the snow froze, but it wasn't too cold. The only places that got cold really actually was just my back, lower back, and that was only because I would turn sometimes to sleep on my side, and then my back would be pretty close up to the tent, and then the cold from the tent would just freeze my back. But other than that, it was no problem. Super warm in there. Under the sleeping bag, you just put it over your head. It's so cozy. And then I had to like go use the washroom. I had to pee for like almost 4 hours. I was holding it in because I didn't want to go outside in the cold in the dark without a jacket or anything. But after a certain point, I was like, okay, I can't hold this anymore. I just went. It wasn't even too bad, honestly. When there's no wind, it's not even cold. It's still cold, but it doesn't hurt you. You don't get attacked by anything. You can deal with it. When the wind is there, you are fighting. Like, I'm punching through air, literally. But yeah, it wasn't too bad. Got a good amount of sleep. I don't feel tired at all right now. Honestly, one thing though is when you wake up and you see this, like, it's really hard to be tired. Like, you're just, and there's like gentle light snow again, like perfect morning. So we're gonna go ahead and set this fire up. get everything ready for breakfast, and yeah, see you then. Alright, so we got the fire going nice. Got all the extra spare firewood next to it. I have some leftover hot chocolate and coffee from the day before that I'm trying to warm up, but I don't know how successful it will be because this mug was not made to be put in the fire, but let's just see what happens. We also have the water boiling here, ready to be made for some oatmeal. And really excited about that. I haven't had oatmeal since last year, actually. Yeah, last time we went camping in Algonquin with Ali and a couple of our friends. That's when we had the oatmeal. That was fall camping for, yeah, mid-October. And yeah, there was ice in that water a few moments ago. Yeah, it's looking good. It's still so beautiful everywhere. Hey, look, we might be even getting some sunlight through the crack there, looks like.
Yeah.
Looks like the sun's coming out. That's nice.
Some blue skies.
Add some warmth. Yeah, actually there is some blue skies above us. Hadn't not 1 second of that yesterday. Not complaining though, it was still amazing. And yeah, we're just gonna continue waiting till the water's boiled and then get the oatmeal going. So I wanted to show you something just over here. So a little bit before we got into our tent to call it a night, I saw through the crack, and wow, first I heard it, but then I saw this tree right here, fully just snap out of nowhere. There was no wind yesterday. There's no wind now. Listen. And it literally just fell over. Like, guess it was just time for it to fall over. Like, you can see that this has been ready to go for quite a bit now. Drop some snow on my head. All right, so yeah, as you saw, the tree that snapped back there is like 15, 20 feet now, not further than that. And it snapped for no reason, no wind. Could have been a Sasquatch. I'm not ruling it out, but it just goes to show you that you definitely want to make sure when you're putting your tent that these trees are firm in the ground, and at night there's no chance they're gonna drop on your head and hurt you badly. So yeah, normally you want to look for actually a clear space to put your tent out to avoid doing this. But I thought this was a really great spot because it shows the whole area and it's just a beautiful area, very calm. Had one of the best sleeps ever, so yeah. All right, water is boiled. Look at that. Jeez. All right, so Ali's gonna pour the boiling water into the oatmeal. And this is just a really easy, really tasty, and really healthy breakfast when you're out here. You really just need water, a mug that is not gonna burn and melt, as well as the oatmeal and whatever you want to add to it. So what we have is, we have some of these dried mango slices to throw in there with the maple brown sugar oatmeal. So right now Ali's just gonna go ahead and get that ready for himself, and then I'm gonna get it ready. It should be really nice. But this tool right here It's super useful. Like, it has the knife, the spoon, and the fork all together. And that's even a bottle opener, which is really neat. But it has all three just in a little thing. And this thing weighs nothing. So, it doesn't have the length that my spork has, but it's solid. It's still a good length. You can do a lot with it. So right now, I just want to show you how good that looks. And we haven't even added in the flakes or nothing yet. This is just the prep.
Yeah, normally we'd add in a bunch of nuts, dried fruit. We got the mangoes right now. But
oh man, I'm so excited for this. So what we're gonna do is, once we finish eating breakfast, then again, sorry I have to use my iPhone, everything else is dead because of the batteries in the cold. I need to get new stuff because I definitely want to do this more. So I need to have the right gear. But anyways, so what we'll do is we'll eat breakfast. We haven't quite decided if we want to just chill out by the fire or go on a hike. So once we decide that, we'll be back. So see you. All right, so finally got my oatmeal ready with the mango slices, dried mango slices. So we're just gonna mix that up. Get it all nice and ready. Meanwhile, Ali's gonna be taking the tarp off the tent, getting ready to pack up our stuff. We're probably just gonna go for a hike because I don't really feel like getting more firewood, and plus we got about 3.5, probably in this weather a little bit long, like 4-hour drive back to Toronto. So yeah, we're just gonna pack up our stuff after we eat and then maybe go for a small hike. Maybe find a hiking location that's not directly at Mew Lake. Maybe one of the ones that's close by. I don't think any of them are really open, so I'm gonna have to ask somebody at the front desk, and well, I'm actually gonna have to call the front desk because they're not here. Wait, hold on. Right there. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, there it is. Ali, look, there's a blue jay right above us. You hear it?
I hear it.
It's right here. If you look where I'm pointing.
It's on this tree right here?
Yeah. Look, there it just moved.
Yeah, I see it.
You see it? Wow. It's a nice blue jay. Looks amazing. I always wonder, like, how is he surviving out here in the cold? How warm are those feathers? Okay, yeah, so, yeah, we're just gonna pack up. I'm gonna finish eating this oatmeal, and then we're gonna go. The skies are clearing up nicely right now, which is amazing. It would be nice to get some sunlight on these trees. It's gonna look so nice. And then we're gonna go for a small hike, and then we'll probably head back home. Unfortunately, but got work tomorrow, so. Anyways, we'll see you when we're on the hike. So, I know I said I'll see you at the hike, but I just wanted to show you in case it goes away, because it's really rare out here. Blue skies. Like, oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. The sun is back here. Trying to get through. The clouds are really just, it kind of looks like they're disappearing. It's supposed to snow all day today, light snow like yesterday, but I will take the skies. So yeah, in case it doesn't go away, we'll see you in blue skies. All right, so we've took the tarp off. We're getting ready to pack up our stuff and then do a small hike. Just want to go over the gear. So pretty simple for me. It's just a Tenton minus 18 degrees Celsius sleeping bag. I got this off Amazon. I'm gonna put the link in the video. It's about 120 bucks. Honestly, this sleeping bag was amazing. It was so warm. It was so warm sometimes that I had to put my head outside of here because I was overheating. And also, I didn't even realize this was here, but this is a great place to put your phone because it'll keep it warm with your body heat. Yeah, so that's that. Here's this inflatable Ecotech pillow. Very easy to inflate and deflate. You just literally press this button. Super quick, just you get the point. Just deflates really easily. This was also, I think this was 20 bucks. It was the #1 best-selling pillow, and I must say I am very picky with even just normal pillows at home, and this was really like versatile. I was able to sleep on my back, on both of my sides, and I'm like, I do a weird thing. I put my arm under the pillow. This thing was really, really good, so I highly recommend this. And then lastly, so for extra insulation, people ask, well, are you bringing a heater? And I say, no, I have a sleeping pad. And they're like, well, that's not gonna do anything. But this sleeping pad, and if you put it inside of a proper sleeping bag, it insulates so much heat and all the cold from, we have this extra tarp, but underneath there, you see, we didn't really dig to the ground. We just dug to the snow. We flattened the snow, and that's it. But so there's a lot of cold still that comes through the tent. And even though this is a 4-season tent, I'll talk about this after, but this is a 4.5R, also Ecotech sleeping pad. Highly recommend. Super easy to inflate. I think 10 breaths to inflate, and then you just open the seal and you just let the air out, and that's it. I'm gonna do that off camera because I want to go over the tent as well. So this tent, I just got this tent for Christmas. This is the best tent. This is took the tarp off now, but this is a 4 Seasons gear top tent. I got it also, well, I didn't get it, but I got it for Christmas on Amazon. So this I think is about $150, and 4 Seasons tents, if you've done the research, they are upwards of $500 for a popular brand like North Face, for example. Their 4 Seasons tents start at like $800. So for $150, this thing was so solid. Like, it kept us super warm. Now, given you need all of this stuff, so you can't just go out with this tent and be like, all right, I'm gonna be warm, right? You need to get the other things. They all complement each other and keep you warm. And so, very easy to disassemble that. We're gonna do that off camera. And yeah, so there's gonna be links for all of these down below in case you're interested in getting them. But for now, we're gonna go just tear down the tent, and we'll see you later on the hike. Alright, so we're almost done packing up, and I came here trying to pull this out, and it looks like the ice, or sorry, the spoke has been frozen by the ice. So I'm gonna have to just literally just hack the axe at it, and maybe actually now I can maybe use the pliers instead. So I don't know if I actually showed this multi-tool before. Yeah, I need my glove. But it's basically just a solid multi-tool stand sport. Has all the things you need, plus it looks really nice. I mean, the axe is not very effective for tree chopping, I'll give you that, but the rest is very useful. Now, I don't want to damage this, but I'm not sure. There we go. And see, I have no clue how I would have been pull this out without these pliers. I would have probably just had to keep doing something like that until it came out. But yeah, it's a great multi-tool. The link for this will also be in the description. But we're gonna continue doing this now. Alright, what's up guys? We're done packing up everything. We came on to Mew Lake again for our hike. Everything is basically closed, so there aren't really too many hiking options in the winter. But honestly, like if you look around, this is already on its own something amazing. And look, so we were just walking on the lake, and someone, a fellow camper, has built a fort castle. And we're gonna go inside and knock, of course, because that'd be trespassing. But yeah, we're gonna go into this fort. Maybe write our names on the wall. Okay. Now, whoever crafted this is an engineer. Look at the symmetry. Actually, this part's actually not that symmetrical, but it's okay. This part is awesome. These guys, whoever took the time to build this, did a great job. Super cool. Look at how smooth this is. Like, this is actually, you know, if this was Ancient Aliens, ancient astronaut theorists say yes, this was built by aliens, because there is no way that this snow can be this clean, smooth cut. This must be some form of ancient alien technology, and you know what? I must agree. But anyways, we're probably just gonna, we're probably just gonna do a small 2 to 5 kilometer hike, and then we'll probably just head back to Toronto. Just giving you a nice view of our winter camping. And yeah, that's us for now, and see you later. Oh, I think that's, oh yeah, they're both right there. Who's a cutie? Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Look at them. They're coming here.
Oh, they're coming.
They want to play. Oh, they ran away.
No.
That's so cute. I thought at first they might be baby feeks, aka foxes, but I like saying feeks. But it seems that a couple of minks. Awesome. Bye now, minks. Have fun. Alright, so this brings us to the end of our first winter camping trip in Algonquin Park. Everything honestly went like perfect. We had no issues. Weather was so nice. Had sun, had light snow, didn't get any wind whatsoever, and if you know, just going out, it's not the cold that kills you, it's the wind that kills you. So just super thankful for that. Yeah, so we're just gonna head back to Toronto now, and hopefully I'm gonna make another one of these. So until then, peace from me and Ali.